DesignerLogic has a client portal for the interior designer's client to log in and view their projects. This video will give an overview from the client's perspective. To access the client portal, go to DesignerLogic.com, hover over the login link, and select Designer Clients. This will take you to the login page where you put in your email address and password and log in. The dashboard shows all of your projects on the portal with notifications and financial totals. You'll also see a running list of all the items your designer still needs a decision on. Use the Update Decision link for each item to log your decision and make comments on it. You can approve an item, leave it as undecided, or decline an item. You can also leave a comment that explains your decision. When you click Submit, your designer will be notified by email as well as in their own DesignerLogic account. Anywhere in the portal, clicking on the Item Details link of an item will open up the items page where you can see more information about it, as well as any comment threads about that item. You can also click on the New Comment Thread link to enter a new comment and send it to your designer. Whatever you enter here will always be attached to the specific item, so you can see a log of all the comments and communication about an item on this one page. The All Items section shows all the items on your portal, whether they've been approved, declined, or still in need of a decision. This page can be filtered by clicking the green filters link at the top. You can also update a decision about an item and open up the item detail page as well by hovering over and clicking on this link right here. The Mood Board section shows presentations of different parts of your project that the designer has published to your client portal. Click on the mood board itself to view it in more detail, and click on the View Details link to go to that mood board's page and see all the items that are on that mood board. Here you can click on the Item Details link of each item to open up its page, and you can see all the comments about that item, make new comment threads. You can update the decision about that item, whether you want to approve it, leave it undecided, or decline it. And you can do that for each item on the mood board. Just click on the Details link, and that will take you to that page. The Comments section is a full history of all the comments to and from your designer. Comments are a great way to make sure your project is going how you want it to go. Any comments that the designer has made to you, you can mark as read or respond, and that will notify your designer. The Calendar section is where all of your projects, dates, and events can be found. Things like installation, scheduled work, and designer visits are shown on the calendar. The Proposals section shows all of the proposals your designer has published to the portal in a list grouped by project. To the right, you'll see the status of the proposal and a notification of the number of items that still need to be approved. If you click on the link for the items, that will take you to the decision page where you can see these items and update the decision as approved, undecided, or declined, and your designer will be notified. If you want to view the proposal in full, click on the Go To link next to the proposal number, and that will open up the entire proposal. Here you can see all the items on the proposal and their status. You can also see that this list can be filtered a number of different ways by clicking on the filter link at the top. And you can approve or update a decision by clicking on the Update Decision link, and that will take you to the decision page. You can also change the decision for the entire proposal if you want to approve or decline all the items at one time. Come up here and click on the Change link, and this will take you to the Proposals Decision page. You can mark it as declined, and all the items on that proposal will be marked declined. Or if you mark it as approved, all the items on that proposal will be marked approved. If you leave it as partial approval, that means you're going to individually approve or decline items one by one. As well, you can view the terms and conditions of a proposal by hovering over Terms and Conditions. You can view a note from your designer about the proposal by hovering over this View Note section right here. And you can print this proposal a few different ways over here on the right. As well, on a proposal, you can view Tile View, which shows the items with much larger pictures. Clicking on the Item Details link will open up that items page like any other Item Details link. You can also view all of the comments on a proposal, so you can see what your designer has said about different items on the proposal and what your responses were. And you can start a new thread if you want to start a new comment thread about something that's not yet commented on this particular proposal. The Invoices section shows all of the invoices your designer has published to the portal with their totals. The Print button opens the invoice in full view. The time section shows all the time tracking on the project that has been billed. And that concludes the overview for DesignerLogic's Client Portal, which is a great way for a client to access their designer's work and give them feedback and input.